Looking to elevate your COMLEX prep? Dive into RemedyOMM.com. Discover our comprehensive question bank, expert lectures, and personalized consultation services, all tailored for your success. Join the community of achievers. Visit RemedyOMM.com today and take the next step in your medical journey.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Remedy OMM. Today we will be going over a fairly easy topic, lymphatics. The lymphatic system is critical to maintaining fluid balance, fat absorption, and immune defense. It consists of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, and lymphoid organs such as the spleen, thymus, and tonsils. A thorough understanding of this system is crucial for osteopathic physicians, particularly in diagnosing and managing lymphatic and immune-related disorders. Here's a close-up of a lymphatic vessel. You can see these one-way valves that only allow for flow in one direction. These vessels help remove excess interstitial fluid and proteins, eventually returning them to the bloodstream. On the right side of the body, the right sides of the head, thorax, and right upper limb drain into the right subclavian vein via the right lymphatic duct. On the left side of the body, the trunks from the remaining portions of the body drain into the larger thoracic duct, which drains into the left subclavian vein. The thoracic duct itself begins just beneath the diaphragm in the cisterna chyli. This is not very high yield but may come up from time to time. Understanding that the thoracic duct drains most of the body is without a doubt the most important point to know here. When it comes to treatment, without a doubt, the most important thing to know is open the drain. Opening the drain refers to the concept of ensuring that key anatomical areas which serve as major points of lymphatic drainage are free from restrictions. This is a foundational principle. By addressing these areas first, we can enhance the effectiveness of subsequent lymphatic treatments, promoting efficient lymph flow and reducing congestion. You need to understand that the order of treatment for lymphatic drainage techniques is from proximal to distal, so always start central and work your way distally. The thoracic inlet is without a doubt the most important drain to open first, considering that it provides drainage for almost the entire body and is the most proximal or central structure. If there is a question on lymphatic treatment and opening the thoracic drain is an answer choice, it is almost always the correct answer. When in doubt, go with the thoracic inlet. It is such an important structure in lymphatic treatment that we could honestly end the lecture right here, but I will touch on one more point. Lymphatic treatments are, for the most part, benign and very low risk. With that being said, there are some contraindications the test makers want you to be aware of. This is not an exhaustive list, and I'm not going to read every point here, just adding these for completeness. The ones I want to highlight are: number 1, malignancy. The theory here being that lymphatic treatments could send malignant cells to other areas of the body. And 2, severe heart failure. The theory here is that by reintroducing fluid into the circulatory system, lymphatic treatments could provide increased stress to an already weakened heart. That's all I have for you today. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for supporting our channel. It means the world to us. Check out RemedyOMM.com for our comprehensive question bank. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. We will see you guys in the next lecture.